Hello everybody. In the misty hills of Meghalaya, India, there's a legend that has been passed down through generations. A tale of a giant, a basket, and a rock formation that stands as the testament to the power of local stories. His name was Ramhah, a giant of a man with a heart that was initially kind and gentle. He roamed the hills and valleys, helping the villagers with their daily tasks and earning their respect and admiration. But as time passed, Ramhah's heart began to change. He grew arrogant and wicked, using his enormous strength to oppress and plunder the very villages he once helped. He became a highwayman, feared by all who crossed his path. The villagers, tired of living in fear, decided to take the matters into their own hands. They conspired a plan to kill the giant, mixing sharp objects into his food. And so, Ramhah met his demise, brought down by the very people once he terrorized. But the legend doesn't end there. As Ramhah fell to the ground, his massive basket, which he used to carry his plunder, fell with him. And as years went by, the basket petrified, transforming into a cone-shaped rock formation that stands to this day. The locals call it Khoh Ramhah, or the Giant's Basket, a testament to the power of the legend and a reminder of dangers of unchecked power and arrogance. The rock formation, now a popular picnic spot, offers breathtaking views of Sylhet plains of Bangladesh and the winding roads of Cherrapunji. The legend of Ramhah's basket has been etched into the very fabric of Meghalaya's culture, a reminder of the region's rich history and enduring power of local stories. Hit like and subscribe the channel for more content. Thank you for watching.